Sometimes, for some reason, we have to do all photography session for newborn with wrapping. The question is, can we do different setup by wrapping? Watch today's video to find out the answer to this question. Come with me. Our little newborn today is a 9-day-old boy. We're getting it ready for the wrap. As I said at the beginning of the video, sometimes we as a photographer face challenges. Challenging such as uncooperative, alert newborn, or excessive crying. And we have to wrap the newborn completely around it to calm it down. But sometimes the family asked us to take a lot of photos. So how many photos can we take with wrapping? In this video, we wanted to see how many different setups can be achieved with the same wrapping and even with the same color. If you are beginner and don't know how to do a full wrapping, you can watch this video. I'll start with the stand setup first.
بالا خرس تدی نداریم نه خودم مشتری اومده پایین چون زحمت بکش
In this etude, since the wrap is complete, I will place the newborn in a standing position. Now I place the newborn on the same stand, lying down, and take a photo from a high angle. The next setup is inside the basket. You can perform the wrapping inside the basket or on the top of the basket.
Good.
Now I'll fill the basket and put the newborn on the basket.
Thank you. Next.
Let's move on to the next step. I will use the bed this time. And for the next etude, I will use a rectangular basket.
نزدیک قشنگ بشه. آها مرسی. یه لحظه اینو بزنم توش انقدر بزرگ نبود. گلای پنبه رو میندازی توش کم نیست براش.
The next prop is the wooden moon. Let's do another set.
اون جعبه‌ای که بهت گفتم بعضی باشه یه دنده بعدی نه خیلی رفتی نداره. فکر کنم عمقمون دیده بشه تو این عکس چون بلند پشتش.
My last setup on the bench. If the newborn mother wasn't in a hurry, we could still take pictures.
Enough!
Okay, it's over. The photographer is less tired and the newborn isn't bothered.